Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find news on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the News section next to the Ports button at the upper side of the screen. And this site you can find different news for events and ships. And just select one and step on it. And you can read this article. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.